Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the JQUEEN double watch winder. So, as you can see, it's a huge box. I couldn't even get it in the whole frame, so I'll just open it up. Okay, so this is the power brick for the watch winder. Looks pretty nice, I have to admit. It isn't a real glass here, it's a plexiglass. The wood feels really nice, I have to admit. The whole thing feels pretty solid. The cushions feels nice as well. And you get the cushions with this thing around it to adjust it for a smaller or bigger size. So you just take it out. And that's about it. So let's try it out. It has the modes here. You get 4 modes. One mode rotates for 2 minutes clockwise and then rest for 6 minutes and then repeats. The other one rotates for 2 minutes counterclockwise, rest for 6 minutes. Third mode rotates 2 minutes clockwise, rest for 6 minutes, rotate 2 minutes counterclockwise, and then rest for 6 minutes. Of course, every one of these modes, after all the things, they just repeat themselves. The fourth mode is rotates for 5 minutes clockwise, 5 minutes counterclockwise, and it the fourth mode rotates for 5 minutes clockwise, 5 minutes counterclockwise, and so the fourth mode rotates for 5 minutes clockwise, then 5 minutes counterclockwise, and so the fourth mode rotates for 5 minutes clockwise, 5 minutes counterclockwise, and then it repeats itself for about 3 hours, and after that rest for 9 hours, and then it repeats this. So the fourth mode is the most. So the fourth mode is 5 minutes clockwise, 5 minutes counterclockwise, and repeat. So the fourth mode is 5 minutes clockwise, 5 minutes counterclockwise, and then it repeats it for 3 hours, this rotation. After that, it rests for 9 hours, and then it repeats this whole rotation again. So, the modes are just like they are shown here on this paper. First it's on off, then mode 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have the power adapter and on-off switch here on the back. So let me just plug it in and see how it works. So you can see it's working on the first mode right now. And I don't know if you can hear it, but it's really silent. I expected it to be a lot louder. Of course, it looks really nice to my taste. The wood with the kind of fabric or leather material here looks really classy. I'm actually pretty happy with the quality of this for the price you pay. This is pretty nice. And I will just get the microphone closer. Maybe then you can hear how it works, the sound of the motor. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's really silent. I mean, right now I don't have even the air conditioner working, nothing, and I can barely hear it. So that's pretty great. So if you have any questions about this watch winder or anything at all, feel free to ask them in the comments below. I will try to answer them to the best of my knowledge, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.